What is up guys, FrogJoy here, and today's video I'm gonna play my Skyblock Challenge episode 12. Okay, at the last episode I came over here with a bridge and I died over there. Okay, now, not butter. Now in the parkour is what it looks like. Freaking hard, okay. Oh, no, oh man, just freaking one block, oh. See, I'm not better at this. Oh man. Oh, oh, oh man, I'm hungry. And it's night too. Oh, 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 oh man. Okay, let's try make it. Okay. Oh, it's hard in MCPE to parkour. Let's get that. Oh man, I'm not. I'm not really good at parkour. I'm just gonna. I'm. I'm. I'm just waiting. I'm just waste. Oh man, there's a freaking zombie. I hope he die. Pew. Oh, I think it's small jump. Oh, sword. Oh, wait. Sorry, this baby jumps. Okay, baby jumps. Oh, you stupid. It's hard. Oh man, man, it's hard. Help me, guys. Oh, oh, I think it's just a baby jump. Oh, wait, just a baby jump. Oh, man, it's easy at baby jump. Okay, not sprint. That is the tactic. Oh, lucky I bring carrots for me. Fuck you. I didn't even freaking jump. Oh man. I'm gonna spend 20 minutes at this parkour, I think. But not. I don't like 20 minutes at my videos. Only in my. Fuck you. Okay. Let's try it properly. And not to swear. Like a bitch. Oh no. Huyo. Man, I'm raging quit. I almost. But not. Okay. Hope I don't die. Hope I don't fall. Hope I don't fall. Fuck you. Fuck you. Oh man, okay. Damn it. Damn it. Oh! Damn! Damn, someone. Wala, I am gonna do. Let's freaking do this. Okay. I'm not cheating. Not cheating. Okay. So cool. Oh, oh I'm just stupid. I'm so freaking dumb at parkouring. I mean, suck. Oh, oh, man, it's not even possible. Okay, I'm not cheating. Just placing block and freaking hard. It's a tablet, man. Why did you do that? Well, I can make it at the first team. I tried it. This is a baby jumps. Oh, baby jumps. Okay, baby jumps. I can do this. Hope I can. Oh, almost. Almost full. Oh, wait, this is hard. Okay. Wee. Wee, I'm not cheating. 100%. Oh. Oh man. Oh. It's hard. I just want to get the prize at the parkour. I just want to get the 20 diamonds. Why did you want to do this to me, sign? Oh. 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 man! You son of a motherfucker! You motherfucker. Man, I'm gonna spend my whole video just freaking parkouring. That's a bitch. Man, I'm swearing like a freaking duck. Oh. Okay, let's do that. Hop. Hop. Okay, let's have food. Okay, kill the chicken. Kill a carrot, I drink a carrot. Hop. Oh. Hop. Okay, let's do that. Hop. Man. Fine. I'm not gonna do this. It's freaking hard. Okay. Yeah, I know what to do. Checkpoint challenge! Checkpoint challenge! I'm not cheating. It's just checkpoint challenge. Okay. You know me. Just doing checkpoint challenge. Damn, son. Okay. Checkpoint challenge. Checkpoint challenge. Checkpoint challenge. Wait. Okay. So over here, okay. Where there is my last time. Oh, there. Okay, there. The blocks is there. Okay, there. I'm not cheating. Just doing my own participation. I'm not cheating, okay. If this is the one that I freaking fall. It's not cheating, but this will do. Okay. Oh, bitch. Okay, let's do this. I know what to freaking do. Okay, split. Okay, I have the. Oh. Okay. I'm not cheating. I'm not cheating. I'm not a cheater. Okay. Okay, let's do this. I'm not cheating. Okay, if I finish this parkour, I'm gonna end this video here. Because I know. Open. Oh! Okay, there we have one. Okay, where? Okay. I hope I can make it. Okay, we can. No putting wods. Stuff. Damn, if I finish this parkour, I'm gonna end this video. Because I'm freaking. Well, look at that. PC parkour. And I'm doing this in MCP Minecraft. Wait. Where do I go? Wait. Oh, I'm staying crouched. Damn, son. Oh. Okay. Oh. 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 Okay, you can do this. Fuck you. Fam, so. Okay. You know what? For just fun, I can do this, man. I can do this. Yes! Freaking easy, man. Do this. Now, down. Done parkouring. Okay. No cheat 100% as you saw that. I'm recording. Say, I'm recording. No cheat. Okay, we're there yet. Uy. Okay. Huh. I'm not cheating. Cheating. You saw me. I'm not cheating. Huh. Okay. Yay. We're done. Yay. Freaking take a long time finishing this parkour with no lie. No scam. I didn't even cheat a little. Okay. Let's receive our prize and freaking end this video, okay? Let's get a sapling. Let's get a sapling, okay? That parkour makes me swear. Man, I'm not gonna do that parkour anymore. Okay, we have 3 saplings. Let's get receive our okay. Oh man. Receiving. I'm not cheating. I'm not cheating. I didn't cheat. 100%. The watcher saw me. As you know. That's it. Okay. Okay. This turn in. Okay. I got the sign. No cheat. 100%. No lie. Okay. The viewer saw me. Okay. Wow. 30 diamond blocks? That's freaking insane. Okay, this is my reward. Let's just get it. Okay. Let's go down and let's finish our video. Wait. No, stop crouching. Alright guys, this is the end of this video here. Hope you guys enjoy my swearing videos. And as always, subscribe, like, and see you guys in the next episode.